When it comes to upgrading a home, few improvements make as big an impact as replacing old windows. In Ferndale, more and more homeowners are turning to vinyl windows as their first choice. These windows combine style, durability, and affordability, creating a perfect balance that meets both aesthetic and practical needs. If you've been considering new windows, here's why vinyl windows are quickly becoming the preferred option in Ferndale. Stylish choices for every home. Vinyl windows are far from the plain, utilitarian products they once were. Today's options come in a wide range of colors, finishes, and styles designed to complement any type of home, whether you live in a charming bungalow, a modern townhouse, or a classic colonial. Variety of styles. From double-hung and casement windows to sliders and picture windows, vinyl frames can accommodate almost any design. Custom looks. Many manufacturers now offer wood look finishes or bold exterior colors, so you don't have to sacrifice character for convenience. Sleek appeal. With thinner frames and larger glass surfaces, vinyl windows allow more natural light to flow into your home, brightening living spaces while maintaining a modern appearance. For homeowners in Ferndale, where architectural styles vary block to block, this versatility ensures that vinyl windows can be tailored to blend seamlessly with the neighborhood character. Built for long-lasting durability, Ferndale homeowners also appreciate that vinyl windows are designed to last. Unlike wood, which can warp, rot, or peel in Michigan's changing weather, vinyl stands strong against moisture and temperature swings. Low maintenance. Vinyl never needs painting or staining. A simple wipe down keeps the frames looking fresh. Weather resistant. Vinyl resists condensation and won't corrode, making it perfect for wet winters and humid summers. Tight seals. Many vinyl windows feature advanced sealing technology, preventing drafts and keeping your indoor climate stable year-round. This durability not only means fewer repairs but also greater peace of mind. Once installed, vinyl windows are an upgrade you won't need to worry about for decades. Significant energy savings. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons Ferndale homeowners are investing in vinyl windows. Heating and cooling costs in Michigan can be high, but vinyl windows provide excellent insulation to help manage energy bills. Insulated frames. Vinyl naturally reduces heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Double or triple pane glass. Many vinyl options come with energy-efficient glazing that traps air between panes, further reducing heat loss. Energy Star rated. Choosing certified vinyl windows ensures that your home meets modern energy efficiency standards, saving money month after month. Over time, the energy savings often offset much of the initial investment, making vinyl a financially smart choice. Affordability without compromise. One of the strongest appeals of vinyl windows is their cost-effectiveness. Compared to wood, fiberglass, or aluminum options, vinyl provides exceptional value without cutting corners. Lower upfront costs. Vinyl is typically more affordable to purchase and install than other materials. Reduced maintenance expenses. No repainting, refinishing, or special treatments are needed, saving long-term upkeep costs. Great ROI. When it's time to sell, new vinyl windows increase curb appeal and resale value, making them a worthwhile investment. For budget-conscious homeowners who still want lasting quality, vinyl windows strike the perfect balance. Why Ferndale homeowners are making the switch. At the end of the day, vinyl windows offer a rare combination. They're stylish enough to enhance curb appeal, durable enough to handle Michigan's climate, and efficient enough to save money year after year. It's no wonder so many Ferndale residents are replacing outdated windows with vinyl. If you're ready to upgrade your home, vinyl windows are a smart choice that delivers both style and savings. With the right installation, they can transform your home inside and out, making it more comfortable, beautiful, and energy efficient for decades to come.